Hello everyone, how is it going? Welcome to a new video. I know there's a lot of mobile photographers and videographers out there. This is for them. This is the Apexel 10-in-1 lens kit. It also has a nice bag that comes with it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, it's right there. Just give it a click. It's priced at only 69 AED and I'll be leaving a link in the description. This is the clamp that comes with it. It has a nice rubber finish so it cannot damage your phone. These are the various lenses. Let us see them one by one. Macro and ultrawide lenses are attached together. Together they work as ultrawide. For macro shots you can unscrew this macro lens and use on its own. First is the fisheye lens. Fisheye sort of gives a circular look. This will focus on the subject but will have a blurry edge. Telephoto lens gives a nice zoomed shots. This filter is almost like the radial filter. It sort of gives a dynamic effect. Macro is one of my favorite lenses. It lets us take very close-up shots. We need to be 1 to 5 cm close to the subject. Ultrawide gives a more cinematic, wider shots. Star filter, as the name suggests, makes the light look star-shaped. I don't know what it is for actually. KALEIDOSCOPE 3 and 6. It gives sort of a drunk effect. Well, I personally don't like this one. This lens helps get rid of unwanted reflections that you see. Mainly the macro, ultrawide and the CPL lenses are really good. And all others work just like Insta filters. For a cheap price, and if you're a smartphone photographer, yes, it's a worthy buy. Thank you all for watching. Take care.